Alright, today we're going to try another little something different. So my mom and my daughter have been enjoying some bagged salads. Now I don't know as those, my mom has tried this one, the poppy seed. I don't think Cassie has yet. She has tried some other salads she's liked. So they come in the grocery store, in the packaged salad area. And it's a pretty nice size. So normally when I make, a salad for myself, I use kind of the big, you call it, I don't know, vegetable serving bowl. But I haven't made myself a salad in a while, just chopping up my own lettuce and all that, so I haven't been eating salads lately. Inside the bag it comes with its own dressing and some toppings, so that's kind of nice if you don't like dressing, kind of like me. Then you can put your own on there. That was something Cassie was kind of afraid of too, of if it came with its own salad dressing already, she didn't want to eat it. But, so this is one good sized lunch serving. I'll show you. So yeah, nicely fills the bowl. And then, cut open this. We have our dressing. Oops, I didn't even see that. We have some seeds. Looks like it's cranberry seeds and those pepitos, or kind of like a pumpkin seed. Well, like Panera's type of a dressing like that. We'll see if I like this dressing. So anyways, Panera makes a nice salad in the summers. It's seasonal. That has a poppy seed dressing in it, which I think what this is. That's alright. I'm not one for salad dressing usually, so I like theirs. I didn't start eating salad dressing until I ate at Olive Garden, and they have their Italian dressing on the salads. So that's when I started eating Italian salad dressing. But that's good stuff. I will put more on. So anyways, salad seems kind of fresh. I think it's a good amount. So if you haven't tried these before, then I would recommend them. And these come in all different flavors too. Like I said, I had the poppy seed one, and then we have bacon and blue, kickin' bacon ranch, and there was a sesame seed one, I believe, too, plus other flavors.